Okay, here's a quick tip from the road. We just spent 2 days courtesy parking in Pennsylvania, and we were running our air conditioner constantly on a 50 amp connection. We were using our extension cord, and unbeknownst to us, until we disconnected this morning, one of the prongs of the extension cord was corroded, and that extension cord started to melt. That's not this cord, this is our regular cord. When we unplugged it, we found all this melted plastic debris, and we found out that one of the prongs had gone to this copper color instead of the brass color that it's supposed to be. That's corrosion, and that's what made it heat up in the first place. Well, now I've got this mess all over my prongs. I can't use this cord the way it is. If I run the air conditioner on this the way it is, it's going to melt completely. It's going to overheat and be a disaster. This is why we travel with an electrical maintenance kit. There's a couple components on it. I've got my deoxit here. I've got my burnishing tool. I'm going to clean this nasty melted plastic off here, and then I'm going to shine up this prong until it's nice and shiny brass again and the electrons can flow freely. Otherwise, we'd be out of luck. We wouldn't be able to use our plug at all, and we wouldn't be able to have any air conditioning here in New York State. So that's my first job before we set up camp.